along with my secretary. Hello.
You will be briefing about the arrangements, no? All the arrangements that we are making.
Okay, good evening, friends. So today I am here with my secretary Bhagirath Shethe to brief you regarding the arrangements of the examination which you have made, which is going to start from 21st April. Sorry, 21st May. So you know that this examination, higher secondary school examination, was on hold from 22nd April, sorry, 22nd March, and SSC examination was on hold from 2nd April. And later on, as per the government directives, we announced the new dates. The higher secondary school examination from 20th and the SSC examination from 21st. And as you all know that this decision was also challenged in the High Court by some parents and students, and later on the petition was heard, and Honorable High Court gave us a green signal to go ahead with the examination program. And later on, day before yesterday, amendment petition was also filed. The hearing on this petition was over today, and again the Honorable High Court cleared our way to conduct the examination. So accordingly, we are going to conduct this examination from 21st April, that is from tomorrow. Already the higher secondary school examination has been already started from today. Today was Marathi paper, then tomorrow we have political science, and then on 23rd we have geography. So this was regarding the higher secondary school certificate examination. So from 21st till 6th June we are going to conduct this 10th standard examination. So the certain guidelines has been court has directed to take certain precautions, certain measures as per the health protocol, and following all this health protocol, we are going to conduct this examination across 29 centers all over Goa, and 173 sub-centers. 173 sub-centers. So this year we have to increase the number of the sub-centers, by 3-folds almost compared to the, earlier examination. The main reason which compelled us to increase the sub-centers is that of social distancing. So taking into consideration the social distancing, accordingly we have increased the number of the sub-centers. And in each class we are going to accommodate the 12 students. Okay, and of course we are going to sanitize all the classroom. Already they are sanitized. Then also the sanitizers will be provided to the students, and also we will be doing the thermal scanning. We have provided the guns to all the centers, on all the sub-centers, and thermal scanning of the students will be done through these thermal guns. So if anyone found the infected, in the sense some primary symptoms, then he will be taken to the separate examination hall, and his examination will be conducted in that hall. So these are some of the measures which we have taken. Secretary will give the more information on this. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. for the examination which starts from tomorrow, that is for SSC, 19,680 candidates will be appearing at 29 centers.
Could you repeat it a little louder?
Yeah. For tomorrow's examination, 19,680 candidates will be answering at 29 centers across the state, out of which 9,790 those are the boys and 9,890 are the girls. We have made a special arrangement. Some of our students, because of lockdown, they are across the borders of Maharashtra and Karnataka. So to facilitate them to answer the examinations, we have opened 6 centers on the border itself, border of Maharashtra and Karnataka. There are 4 such sub centers open in Sindhudurga district and 2 sub centers in Karnataka. It starts from Patradevi, so that is this side it is Arunda. This is one of the center. Second one this is in Satarda. Third one this is in Ai. This is Government Primary School Dodamarg. Fourth one this is New English High School Bedshi. This is Dodamarg. These are the 4 centers in the border of Maharashtra, and 2 more. This is one is in Chorla Khanapur, Karnataka. This is Government Upper Primary School, and the 6th one this is in Karwar. This is Union High School in Mazadi. This will cater to the needs of the students which are locked down in borders of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Today it was those balance paper of higher secondary, and it was one of the paper of language Marathi, and as per our statistics 3,818 candidates they appeared for this examination, and all were screened with the help of gun. This is the thermal scanner.
And all reports were normal, fortunately.
That is, yeah. So this is about 7 point that we are going to follow for the safety measures of our. One is the use of thermal scanner. This will be available, or this will be available at every sub center. Second one is the hand sanitization. Third one, this is the maintaining the social distance. Every sub center there is a team of volunteers. A team of volunteers, maybe five volunteers, which may include some non-teaching staff or maybe teaching staff or even some parents representative. And they will, as soon as the candidates, when they arrive at the center, they will be received by our volunteers, and it will be ascertained that they maintain the social distance, and then they don't have to look for their block sitting arrangement. It will be the moment they tell the seat number, one of the volunteer will tell them where is the seat number. The next one, whoever is available, will take them directly to the block. So that is maintaining a social distance. During the same time, one of the volunteer will sanitize their hands, and they will also ensure that they use a face cover. In case if there is a no face cover, the face cover will be provided at the sub center. Now, sitting arrangement they have been done as per the health protocol, maintaining a 1 meter distance. So after a 1 bench, you might have seen today's examination at some of the centers, and we have been receiving the good feedback for this today's sitting arrangement. So 1 meter gap will be given, the 1 bench, and then gap of 1 bench. So second candidates will be kept. And where normally we used to accommodate 25 candidates, now as per this health protocol there will be only 12 candidates, 12 or maybe 13. If it is a larger block, then accordingly proportionately the arrangement will be done. We have placed this 200-meter demarcation for the parents or maybe some visitors or the well-wishers. They come and then crowd, and then it becomes just a chaos. Just on the safety part and to maintain the social distance, we will not allow any parents within that 200-meter or within the campus of that school or the sub centers. There will be a provision of, as per our usual practice, we just tie up with the health center, nearest sub health center, or we will have a medical facility, some like maybe glucose or maybe ORD solution. Something will be kept, that being a first aid in case if somebody faint or some help is required, then that will be provided by a special counter that will be open at each sub center. And we have also added many personals in this case. Usually there used to be only a conductor, observer of the examination, and the supervisory work. This is the only show of the examination. This time we have pressed upon a team leader who will just have a coordination. It's a sort of a coordination committee who will be in charge of, who will take care of all this sanitization, maintaining a social distance, giving creating a conducive environment, a healthy environment, so that the students, they will answer the examination without any fear or like that. The Goa Education Department, that is a GEDC, they have also will be providing us the counselors in case if some students, if they need some counseling or if they are afraid of some examination, that fear, exam phobia that comes, then on the spot the assistance will be given. The special arrangement that is been done, usually we used to have very few sub centers, but this time because of the pandemic situation, wherever the school's strength is more than 100, if it is more than 100, then in that case that will be exclusively a sub center. So, and the students of that particular high schools will be answering in the same school. And wherever the strength is less than 100, in that case we have just clubbed the neighboring schools so that the strength comes out to be about close to about 100. And those schools will be nearby schools only, that will be another sub center. So like this we have opened about 173 sub centers. This is what we have made the arrangement so that the students will answer the examination without any fear, without any anxiety. On the first day, this is the 21st, that is tomorrow, only 365 students throughout the state will be answering. This is a pre-vocational subject and this is an optional subject to the 3 subjects, that is maths, science or social science. So one of the subject is dropped, and in place of that there is a pre-vocational, about 6 subjects are there, out of which they have to select one. So only 365 students throughout the state will be answering. We thought that this paper will be like a trial, like a beginning, only few students will come. The second day, that is on 22nd, 1945 students will be coming to the centers on this, maybe very few centers. These are all NSQF, that is a National Skill Qualification Framework. There are about 15 NSQF subjects, like a beauty parlor, like a plumbing, electrification, IT retails, etc. So 1945. And on the third day, it is a major paper, that is on 23rd. This is the English language one. So where all people will be coming, 19,222 students will be appearing on Saturday. Then there's a gap of 2 days. Then it is about the maths paper that starts. We thought that we will give a gap to the maths paper, and as good as 18,827 students will be appearing. Then it is a language, second language, third language. There is no gap for that, except on 30th, which is I think it is a social science paper, 19,024. That is the second social science paper will be there. And then there is a Sunday. So we have taken that opportunity for a science paper. The major paper, that is a science paper, will be on 1st of June. That's a last paper where the major students, you can say maximum students, will be relieved of the examination. And then 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th, these are our children with special need, and they are already in a one very small sub centers, and there will not be any disturbance to the students. That is the care that we have taken.
What is the additional staff that you all have put up this time? Because each class is at 10 to 12 students. So additional classes have increased. So what is the additional staff for teachers who have
No, around total number of the staff which we are involving in the conduct of this examination is around 3,000 odd figure. 3,000 staff we are involving.
police protection?
No. Police, that is a different thing.
And this time also you have schools in village areas, means SSC exams. So how about sending those papers, exam papers well on time and everything?
Yeah.
has been taken?
Yeah.
That arrangement we have made for which we have appointed one assistant conductor as per the number of the sub centers, and that assistant conductor will transport the paper from the main center to all the sub centers without any delay.
So during the lockdown, the public transport is kind of a shortened kind of. KTC is not is flying, but the private buses are not flying. Any arrangements have been made?
Yeah, we have returned to the this thing transport department to make elaborate arrangement of the public transport. Besides that, some Kadamba buses are flying, and also school will be using their Balrats, and also we are allowing the parents to drop the students by their own vehicle. Okay, and what happened here? The 90% of the students will be answering in their own school nearby their residence only, so that won't be a big problem.
Sir, I wanted to ask you, with the opening of the 6 centers in the neighboring states,
Hmm.
how many students are answering in the Maharashtra and Karnataka?
Yeah,
Can you
yeah. It is as good as close to about 243 students
in Maharashtra?
in Maharashtra. But what happens now? We now the exact figure that we got is something like close to about maybe close to 200, because some are already locked down in Mumbai or maybe some Himachal Pradesh, and they have phoned to their concerned headmaster or the conductor saying their inability to answer. In that case, we have a second plan that maybe for 12th standard now, because of these 3 papers, whoever miss this one of the paper or maybe all 3 papers, they will be given another examination, and that will not be considered as a supplementary examination. It will be considered as a first attempt only. And so also for these SSC students who are unable to answer their red zone or maybe their inability to come, in that case also there will be another examination that will be considered as a first attempt. Now at Dodamarg, this is a Patradevi entry point. We have chosen one school, that is the Satarda school, just on the bridge itself. As good as 95 students will be answering there. Now some of the students, 1 or 2 students from Mapsa center, some students are coming from maybe Talegaon side. 1 or 2 they have contacted, and they, so we told them that Babu, there is a one center open here, you come to that center and answer it. One student from Mapsa in Karnataka. So we have a system whereby our conductor, he gave a call to our Kankona center, and we told him that is the center, you go there and you answer the examination.
And accordingly, many students have answered today the
today
Marathi
So
papers.
how many are in Karnataka in 2 centers?
Karnataka for higher secondary, we have registered 4 students, and 24 HSC students will be answering. They will be answering from Saturday itself. And there is a one Bhetshi school where a quite good number of higher secondary students are answering. Today about as good as 48 students they had answered at Bhetshi, and another 41 students they answered in Pennem side. So that area is this border, Maharashtra border and Karnataka border it is.
Any number of classrooms that you have right now, like the total number of
Yeah, it is 1620. So it might be, there's a slight change in that, because at the last moment they, if it's a small paper, then they just club and then they reduce it to 1. But it's close to 1600 and
And the students you said is 19,680.
680.
That is only SSC.
This is only
SSC.
SSC.
So if you count the 3 papers of HSC, then what is the figure?
For HSSC, what happened now? HSSC, they are conducted in their higher secondary schools. So those are not the same centers. And today this was it was Marathi paper where 3,818 students they had appeared. Tomorrow it is a political science, and only 1,200 students will be answering this examination. Day after tomorrow it is a geography, about 800 or 900 students will be answering. Many of these students are from Kankona side.
And in HSSC, how many students? What is the number of?
It is close to about 18,000 and some odd figure.
Sir, is there increase in 19,680 this year?
No, it is slightly on the lower side. Last year it was 20,000 and some odd figure.
Normally you have it in 23 centers, right?
Normally we used to have in 28 centers. 28 centers.
28.
It is only 28 centers.
Main centers.
This time
Main 20.
one change that we did, there was a lot of demand for Mapsa center to split up. Like Panji center we have split up into 2. Last year we had split up Panji and then Kujira. So Kujira people will remain in Kujira, Panji schools will have Panji center. Like that Mapsa side, the Court side there is a one center, and market side is another center. Otherwise, there are about 2,000 students used to appear at MAPSA center. So now it is 900 or maybe 1,000 and 1,000. So that is how we have taken the measures. Now in MAPSA there is a St. Vito High School, and then another was a New Goa High School. So all the students, they used to, if they are allowed the same center, then there would have been little rush. So we have pushed up all this St. Vito school to St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School. So all 180 students of St. Vito High School will be answering in St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School. So it is only a one gate to now your New Goa High School. About 160 students will be answering.
And what is the total staff strength, like from your chief conductor to your supervisors and volunteers?
It will be close to, it is 3 times, almost close to about 3,000 and some
3,000.
odd figure it will be. Because we have added now team leader, that is a coordination which has given a they can appoint even 5 members, 6 members, taking even parents into confidence. Some parents, they have also volunteered in Vasco side. The PTA executive members, they are volunteers, and they will be shouldering the responsibility of social distance, sanitizations. That's all.
This is the first time of its own good kind such arrangement have been made for all the sitting
Right.
arrangement. Never
Right.
been we
No,
have heard
no,
or
no.
seen before.
Thank you,
Yes,
thank
yes.
you.
So
Right.
any difficulties been faced?
So far well. Only here there was a shortage of thermal scanner, which we have managed
Arranged.
now, and it takes about 2-3 seconds to take the temperature of the thermal, to use a thermal scanner. And government has provided the entire help to us. We are grateful to the government also. Otherwise, used to be only the board only conducted. It is not like that. This time, government is with us.
9:30 to 11.
It is from 9
9
to
to
some
11:30.
papers are from 9 to 11:30. Some papers are from 9 to 10:30, like social science, which is a 40 marks paper. It will finish in
So it will
only.
start at 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All students will be scanned now?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Now
yeah, all.
today.
Today it was.
Yes, it was done.
It was done.
3,818 students, they were scanned today. 3,818. We have confirmed it. Yeah.
All.
All.
Which is all the students.
All
Yes,
students,
yes.
all students. And we have shared some
Yeah, every day
scanning
we
will be
have
done
to
every day.
scan.
Scanning and sanitization will be on the previous day.
So and other than ये कोई तुम्ही बॉर्डराचे अक्रॉस जे अरेंजमेंट केला, other than that any students will be crossing on a everyday basis?
No,
Nobody will
nobody,
No,
no,
no.
no, no,
So they
no.
won't be answering.
Yeah.
There is a one student in city who has already finished his quarantine period and he has got a medical certificate. We have made a special arrangement for that student, so he will not be mixed up with the
others.
regular students. So he's been given a separate center. Separate center.
अरेंजमेंट करता सर मिडियाची कित्याक बिकॉज बिफोर स्टार्ट
ना.
2 मिनिट व्हिडिओ काढलो तर ते जाता
काय का ऍक्च्युअली आमचे इन्स्ट्रक्शन असले की ओनली वेन द क्लास वेन द एक्झामिनेशन इज गोइंग ऑन तुमका अलाउड करप ना कित्याक इट विल डिस्ट्रॅक्शन अदरवाइज अलाउड हांवें मागीर इज इट पुजिरा ना कशें आसतना इट इज अ ह्युमन कशें आसता मागीर तांकां सांगलें